हॅलो, ओजस्वी मॅडम. बर्थडे सर. हाँ, येस.
सर असेल मी डिक्लाइन केला म्हणून.
Ojaswini madam, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon to everyone. I, Mrs. Shilpa Gada, welcome you all for fourth day of our faculty development program, where we are going to learn various technical tools which is used in improving the teaching and learning process. So today's topic is going to present by Mrs. Ojaswini Deshmukh Madam, Assistant Professor in Sihagarh Academy of Engineering. She is going to present hot potato. So let's give big welcome to Mrs. Ojaswini Deshmukh Madam. So, yes, Madam, can you start?
Good afternoon, one and all. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon. Myself, Professor Ojaswini Deshmukh. Today, I am going to talk about hot potato, an interactive exercise tool. Just a wait. I am sharing my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today's topic is hot potato, an interactive exercise tool. Now, hot potato is the classic software for creating interactive online quizzes. The hot potato suite is a set of 6 authoring tools that allows you to create self-test exercises like multiple choice, short answer, jumble sentences, crossword, fill in the blanks, matching for all the words wide webs. Now, here are some 6 applications of hot potato. Number 1, that is JQuiz application. It is the most commonly used in hot potato. With JQuiz, teacher can create multiple choice or short answer type question. Our second application is JCross application. Now in JCross, you can create crossword puzzles. It is very interesting tool, crossword puzzle. Now third application is JClothes. Here you can create filling the blanks exercise. Teacher can specify the number of correct answers for each blank space. Fourth application is JMatch. It is very simple, that is match the following. Fifth application is JMix. This program creates jumble sentences, or you can say order the correct sequence, with the option to create exercises with as many different correct answers as the teacher wants. And the last, sixth application is called as Masher, that will compile all hot potato exercises into a single unit in a sequential order with the same color and same appearance setting. So these are total 6 applications of hot potatoes. Now, why hot potato? So these are some features. It is user friendly and very easy to use. It is multi-language support. It is self-evaluated tool or very interactive tool, and it's a free software. Now, for that, let us know how to install hot potato software in your computer. For that, you type hot potato in Google search engine. All of you ready with your laptops? Okay. So type hot potato in Google search engine. So your first option appears here, hot potato homepage. Click on it. Now the page display show the latest version of hot potato, that is version 7. And the web address of this page is hotpot.uvic.ca. See on your browser, it is hotpot.uvic.ca. Now let's see the download link of hot potato. You just scroll down. Now this is the link for downloading hot potato 7 installer. Click on it and it will start downloading. Now select the language. See, it is a multi-language, so you can select any language. You have to follow some instructions. Just click on next, next. Accept the agreement. Again, click on next. Again, next. Again, next. And your last option is install. Okay. So just click on it. It is already installed in my laptop. So you just install this software. Okay, done. Now see your desktop where it has been installed. This is the icon of the hot potato 7. Click on it. Must remember that this is the maximum size of the window. You cannot maximize it further. Now under this software, you can see these are the applications: JClothes, JQuiz, JCross, JMatch, JMix, and sixth one is JMasher. All these applications can also be opened from this tab Potato. See here. There is a tab Potatoes, click on it. So all these applications you can open from here also. JQuiz, JClothes, JMatch, JMix, JCross, and Masher. Here J means JavaScript. Okay, finished installing. Shall I start? Okay. Okay, I'm waiting for 2 minutes.
Madam, my installation is showing 5 minutes more.
Okay, okay, fine, madam. I am waiting. Actually, it is already installed in my laptop, so it got installed very quickly. So
Yeah, it's not happening very fast actually.
yeah, yes, I'm waiting, madam.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it is showing to use some files.hif. So which file to select, ma'am?
Where?
Choose a language for hot potatoes.
English language.
Okay.
It is a multi-language. If you want, if you know about another language, you can choose. So I'm
I can't
using.
see any English language option, ma'am, in this.
No, ma'am. There is an option English.
Oh, no. Yes, ma'am, I can see. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
okay. Done installation or not?
Ma'am, you can go ahead because it's still very slow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just waiting for 2 minutes, then I will continue.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
After installation, see your desktop where it has been installed. See, this is the option, hot potato. Click on it. And this is the interface of Hot Potato software. This is the maximum size of the window. You cannot maximize it further. And after installation, you will see these are the applications: JClose, JQuiz, JCross, JMatch, JMix, and Masher. Okay, shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am, go ahead.
Okay, now my first application is JQuiz. So I'm clicking on this. See, this is the JQuiz application. See, on right hand side, there is an option. Total 4 options. First one is multiple choice question. Second is short answer question. Third is hybrid type question. And fourth is multi-select question. So I'm choosing multiple choice first. Here you can give a title of your quiz. Suppose I'm giving it is a demo quiz. After that, you can type your question. This is question number 1. Now you can type your question here. So my first question is multiple choice question. So I'm just typing a simple question. Who is the Prime Minister of India? And now your options, you can type here, left hand side of your screen. So my first option is Narendra Modi. Second option is Yogi Adityanath. Third option is Rahul Gandhi. And my last option is none of these. Okay, so these are my 4 options. Now next, you can type your feedback for each answer. Means suppose Narendra Modi is your right answer. So in feedback column, you can type here, yes. This is a correct answer. See, feedback, this is not mandatory. It's optional. Now Yogi Adityanath, it's a wrong answer. So I am typing here. Sorry, you are wrong. Here I can write try again. So these are some feedback. This is totally optional. Now see, on right hand side, my correct answer is Narendra Modi. So you can click here. It's a correct option. Okay, done, everyone? Now see, I want to give a second question. So again on left hand side, after question number 1, you can click here. It is question number 2. Same title, it is a demo quiz. You have to just type your question. Before that, select your question type. Now here, I want to choose short answer question. Now type your question. So my question is, what is the full form of RAM? And my answer is random access memory. So you just write your answer here, and again right hand side, it is a correct answer. So click here, it's correct answer. Now I want to add one more question, that is question number 3. Now my third question is hybrid type question. Now hybrid type means it is again a multiple choice question. First it will show short answer question, and after 1 or 2 failure, it will convert it into multiple choice. So my question is, capital of India is? First option New Delhi. Second option Mumbai. Third option Kolkata. And last is Chennai. And my correct option is New Delhi. So again click here. This is my correct option. Now my voice is clear. Yes, I'm audible. Okay. Now see, after these questions, save your data. So there is an option. Click on file menu. There is the option save. Now you can save your file. Here I am creating one new folder, that is hot potato. And here I want to save my file. So give the file name. This is jquiz. And save this file. Okay. After that, now see, here is the option configuration file. So you can give See, first option is instructions. So you can give subtitle for your quiz also. You can give instructions. I'm typing here, all questions are compulsory. Whichever instructions you want, you can type here. Then here is one more option, appearance. Now in appearance, you can change navigation bar color, page background color, title color. See, suppose I want to change a background color. See, there is a second option, background color. Click here. Now I'm selecting this color and click on OK. See, my background color is yellow. Now, if you want to change title color, again click on your third option is title color. Right hand side, there is a color option. Click on it. So, I want to give this color. Choose your color and click on OK. One more option is there, timer. See on menu bar. One more option, there is a timer. Set a timer limit for this exercise. So click here. I want to give minimum 5 minutes. And after that, there is a message, your time is over. If you want, you can change this message. Ma'am, see, in menu bar, there is an option question mark. On left hand side of question mark, there is again option configuration. All of you got the option configuration?
Yes, ma'am, but it is different, not like what is on.
Sir, it is exactly left hand side of question mark. See your menu bar.
Yes, ma'am, configuration button is there,
Yes.
but once we click it, it is not like what you are showing in the screen.
Sir, see, after click on configuration, again there is option timer. I am clicking on timer.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Now set your time limit. Now I'm giving 5 minutes time. Before timer, again there is option appearance. Here you can change the color, background color, navigation bar color, title color. Your first option is instructions, subtitle of your quiz. Now you can save your configuration and click on OK. Okay, done your configuration. Again, see the menu bar. There is an option export to create hot potato version 7 web page. It is in blue color. Click on it.
Madam, what is CGI?
Yes.
What is CGI in that
Madam.
configuration?
See, madam, CGI means after after submitting your quiz, students can report on your email address. That is a CGI.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Now, after configuration, just click on here. You have to export your file. Means you can create your web page. All of you got the option. It is exactly left hand side of arrow, red color arrow. Export your file.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then again it will ask you save the file. So save it. Now see. View the exercise in my browser. Click here.
Ma'am, should we give one name and save, or it will take on its own?
If you want, you can change a name or you can replace. Already you are saving this file now, so you can replace it, or if you want, you can change the name of your
We
file.
have given demo quiz, no, ma'am?
Yes. Demo quiz, it is a title of your quiz. This is not a file name.
File name we have to give separately.
File name you have to
Okay.
give separately.
Okay.
Okay. After that,
Madam, could you please repeat the steps
okay.
again? Yeah.
Okay. After
After you
appear,
save it. After we save it.
after save it, click on appearance button. See, appearance option is here. Left hand side of question mark. Configuration file. Configuration option is here. Okay. Then first option is instructions. Or title. You can give subtitle of your quiz. Already you have given the name demo quiz, but if you want to give again a subtitle of your quiz, you can type here.
Okay.
Now next is instructions. Whatever instructions you want to give your students, that part you can type here.
Okay.
Then one more option is timer. Timer is here. Set the
Yes, ma'am.
timer of your quiz.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there are so many options. Whatever changes you want, you can do it.
Yes.
After that, click on OK.
Okay.
Then after that, export this file. So there is an option. See, blue color, version 7, export to create hot potato file.
Blue color. It's 7 number R.
Yes,
Okay.
number 7. Okay.
Okay.
Click on it.
Yes.
Now give the name.
Okay.
Again, you are saving same folder.
Okay.
Then give the name of your file. Already you are saving this file, but if you want to change the name, you can change. Otherwise, you can replace this file.
Oh, it's gone to the document, madam.
What?
I've saved it in documents. PC documents I've saved.
Madam, see, you have to create one folder, separate folder on your desktop, and you can save on that folder.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can save on your documents also. It's up to you. Okay. After that, see, there is an option, view the exercise in my browser.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so click on it. And this is your quiz. Demo quiz. Subtitle is quiz. See, this is a timer. All questions are compulsory. This is instructions. I am giving 3 questions. Out of this is first question. Now, if you want to show all questions, see, there is a right hand side, there is an option, show all questions. So if you want to click, you can click here, show questions one by one. So again, you can click one by one option also. Now, first question, who is the Prime Minister of India? So my answer is Narendra Modi. So I'm clicking here. See, there is a message. Yes, this is a correct answer. So this was my feedback, right? Yes, this is a correct answer. And it's totally optional. Feedback is totally optional. And my score is 100% for this question only. Click on OK. Now next question. Second question out of these three. What is the full form of RAM? Now see, if you don't know the answer, student can give hint also. If you click on hint option, see next correct letter in the answer R. So click on OK. So answer starts from R. So it is a random access memory. And now you can check. Now see, your score is 97% because of hint. You have taken a hint, so you're 3% minus. Again, click on OK. Next question is, capital of India is. Now see, this is a hybrid type question. So if I'm typing capital of India, actual answer is New Delhi. But if I'm typing, it is only Delhi. Check. Your answer is partially wrong. Okay. Now if I'm typing Mumbai, sorry, try again. Again, I am typing Pune. Again, sorry. And my option is New Delhi.
Ma'am, excuse ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, is it case sensitive? Exactly, we have to type same. Only then we'll get 100 marks.
No, sir. No. Doesn't matter.
If we leave a space or something like that, I'm
Mm.
not getting full marks. That
No, sir. Actually, only word is important. It is not case sensitive.
no. If I type New Delhi continuously,
Huh.
then also I'll get 100 marks.
Yes, sir.
New
Yes.
space Delhi like that.
Yes. Yes. It will consider.
It will consider. Okay.
Yes. Now see, my score is 78% because already I have taken 2 chances for wrong answer. Okay. So is it clear? J quiz option.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm closing this application. Now again, open your option. Open your software hot potato icon. Second application is J close. So this is the interface of J close application. Now it is used for gap filling activity, or you can say fill in the blanks. So here again, same procedure. Here I am giving a title, gap filling exercise. Now after title, you can type your data. Now I am typing. See, I have a already ready-made data soft copy form. So I'm copy my data from here. And you can paste your data in this file. If you don't have a data, you just type 2-3 lines.
Ma'am, one more doubt related to quiz. Na?
Yes.
If I click on that index button, no,
Yes.
I am able to take that same quiz many times. Is there any option to restrict the students taking only one time? Like,
No, sir, there is no option. Actually,
okay.
see, actually, sir, it is a self-assessment tool. So student can
Self-assessment.
Self-assessment tool.
Okay.
Okay, done. You just type 2-3 lines. Now see, my first line is a number which has only 2 factors is called a prime number. Okay, so this is the definition of prime number. Now I want to hide prime number. So select this word prime number. And there is an option gap. So click on it. Now see, it will become red. So if I am clicking a gap
Ma'am, can you
option,
repeat that, ma'am?
my first sentence is a number which has only 2 factors is called a prime number. So this is a definition of prime number. Okay. Now I want to hide the word prime number. Means my question is, this is a definition of dash dash dash. So I want to hide that word prime number. So you just select this word prime number and there is an option gap. So click on it. Okay. So after clicking, see there is the hide word is prime number. Now, if you want to give any clue, you can type.
Madam, there is an option configure output font right to left. But where is the gap there?
See, madam, you can see on downwards on same screen.
There is interface, madam. Load interface file. I
Ma'am,
don't see any.
see, first option is title. First option is title. Okay, it is a gap filling exercise. After that, you have to type your data. Okay, done with your data?
Yes, ma'am.
Then see, here is the option gap. You just scroll down.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
How many options are there? Clear gap, gap, auto gap, delete gap. So click on gap option.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. After that, the word I want to hide is prime number. Clue. Now, if you want to give, you can give a clue also. Suppose this is a definition. Now, alternative correct answer. This is also optional part. And after that, you can click on OK. Now, next line is number which has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. So again, this is a definition of composite number. So I am selecting this word, composite number. Again, click on gap option. See, the word is composite number. Again, click on OK. Now my third sentence is 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. So I want to hide 1. So select number 1. Again, click on gap option. The word is 1. Suppose I want to give a clue, then you can type here. This is a number. Alternative correct option, maybe it is a word, O-N-E, 1. And click on OK. Okay, got it?
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
after clicking OK, if I want to do some more corrections in that same thing, na, like I want to give some clues, how to go back?
Yes, sir. I'm telling. Just a minute. Now, next is smallest prime number is 2. Again, click on gap option. I want to give the clue. It is a number. Or it is a even number. Alternative correct option is TWO2. Click on OK. And last one is 4. Again, click on gap. Just OK. After completion your data, just save this file on same folder. Same folder you can save. Give file name. This is jclose. Save this file. Again, there is option configuration. See, you can open your browser from here also. Options menu. First option is configure output. So click on here. Again, same window will open. Again, I am giving a timer, 5 minutes. Click on OK. Same procedure you have to repeat. How did you get configuration? All of you got the configuration option? It is exactly similar of jQuiz. You can open this option from here also. Click on option menu. First option is configure output. Click on it. You can change your appearance, give a timer, give instructions. After that, click on OK. Configuration done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After that, next step is export your file or create a web page. Again, same option. Export your file. Again, same option, exactly left-hand side to arrow. Give a file name. If you want to change, you can change a file name and save it. Save on same folder. And view the exercise in my browser. See, this is your gap filling exercise. There is a timer. These are the instructions. And these are gap filling. A number which has only two factors is called prime number.
Madam, can you please repeat that,
Which part,
after
ma'am?
configuration, you said
Yes.
we have to go to the web page, is it? Browse.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
see, after configuration, see, after configuration, there is an option export to create a hot potato version 7. Exactly left-hand side of arrow option.
Okay, okay.
Okay. If you didn't get, see, ma'am, you can open from file menu also.
Okay,
Click on
okay.
file menu. There is an option create web page. Standard
Yeah,
format.
yeah.
Okay.
Export for web CT, no? Create
Yes.
web page. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. And then view the exercise in my browser. So this is your gap filling exercise. So first answer is prime number. Second is composite. Now see, I have given a clue for third part. So here is a question mark for clue. This is a number. One. Okay. And check.
Ma'am, this also is a self-assessment tool.
Yes, yes. Sir, hot potato is a self-assessment tool, and these are the applications of hot potato. Total 5 applications are there.
We cannot give this to students, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, sir. See, student do not require hot potato software. See, after you are saving this file, na, so in
Okay.
same folder, you have create a HTML file.
Okay.
You just check your folder.
Okay, ma'am.
So there is a HTML file. So you have to share that HTML file to your student, and they require
Okay.
only a browser.
Okay.
Directly in HTML file, you can share with your student, and they can assess whichever topic you want
Okay.
to give.
Okay.
So my score is 90% because I have taken a hint on third part.
Ma'am, I asked a doubt that how to go and change it, no, ma'am.
Okay. So again, you have to go here. Okay. And there is option edit. Okay. And after that, again, same process you have to do. Means export your
Edit
file.
in edit, paste, select all, and
See,
spell
sir,
check is only there, ma'am.
suppose this file getting closed now, then you can open from here also. File, there is a option J close file. You can click on file menu. So there is so many options. J close file. Your previous file is here.
Yes.
You have already saved this file.
Okay, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah.
If I've already saved that as a blank, no, or a gap.
Yes.
Say for example, prime number is already saved as a gap.
Yes.
How to make some changes if I want to include some
Okay.
clues?
Okay. So again, select
That
on
is my
prime
question.
number. Again, select on
Okay.
prime number, and there is option delete gap. Again, scroll down, and there is option delete gap.
Okay.
Okay. So
That
it
is
will
for
become
deleting.
deleting.
No, ma'am. If I want to change the
Again,
options like
option. Okay. Suppose you want to hide factors, two factors. Okay. So select on here and again gap. Okay.
Okay.
Same
But
process
if I've
repeat.
already now see the
Huh?
two factors, no, ma'am.
Yes,
If I
sir.
want to change some options in that again,
Yes, sir. You can change it.
for example, if I've given a wrong clue, like if I want to edit that clue, how to do it?
Yeah. Yes, yes. You can again. You have to open this file and you can do
Acha.
whatever you want.
From the beginning, I have to do everything.
No, no, not from beginning. You just click on file menu. File menu, there is an option. Your already saved file is here. So if you want to
Ah.
click here, so your file will open.
Okay.
And that file you can change whatever changes you want.
For that particular word, can I change, ma'am? That is
After,
two factors you changed, na?
sir, after,
For that particular,
after completion of changes, again you have to do
ah,
same process that export your file. Not
okay.
getting? What happens, sir? Not getting?
No, ma'am, not clear.
See, suppose you want to change on same file, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you just open your hot potato software. Again, go from JClose option.
Okay.
This interface will come in. Then click on file menu. Again, in file menu, there are saved files.
Okay.
So whatever your file you want to change, open that file.
Okay.
Okay, my file is JClose. Now open that file. Same
Okay.
file will reopen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then
No,
whatever.
ma'am, for one change, I have to go again and do all this procedure.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Acha. Now you have selected that prime number as gap, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Uh, can you make a change to that prime number again?
Yes. So again, select this prime number.
Okay.
There is option delete gap.
You have to delete only. You cannot edit.
No, delete gap.
Acha. That was my question, ma'am.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay. And then again, same process repeat. View in browser. Okay. This is your gap filling exercise. Okay. All of you got second application. All of you understood? Okay. So my third application is, see, I'm closing this JClose. Again, open hot potato. And my third part is JCross. It is very interesting tool. So click on it. JCross. Now here a new option is manage grid. Remaining options are same, but there is a new option that is manage grid. It is very interesting application. Here we can create a crossword puzzle. Students are very interesting to solve a crossword puzzle. So in this application, you can create a crossword puzzle. Now I want to create crossword puzzle on same topic, that is hot potato. So give a title. See, there is left hand side, there is option title. So give a title, hot potato applications. Okay. Give a title, hot potato applications. Okay. Now there is a new option, manage grid. So click on it. First option is automatic grid maker. Click on it. And now enter each word on a separate line. So I want to give 6 words, that is 6 applications. JQuiz. First is JQuiz. On a separate line. So JClothes, second application. My third word is JCross. Next word is JMatch. Next word is JMix. And last is Masher. Okay, so total 6 words I want to give on a crossword puzzle. Okay. After that, on right hand side, there is an option make the grid. Click on it. Now see, we have to add clues to give their answer. So again, there is left hand side, there is an option add clues. Now these are across words and these are down words. So in across words, first option is JQuiz. So click on JQuiz. And here you can put your answer or clue for JQuiz. So for JQuiz, I want to give a clue. It is to create a MCQ type question. So to create MCQ. So this is my clue. My clue is to create MCQ. JQuiz, it is for creating MCQ type questions. After that, click on OK. Right hand side, there is a red mark. OK option. Now my second word is JMix. So click on JMix. Then type a clue for JMix. So my clue is, it is a jumble the sequence or jumble the sentence. So my clue is jumble the sentences. Again, click on OK. Third word is JClose. Again, click on JClose. Type a clue for JClose. It is a gap filling exercise. Again, click on OK. Next word is J cross. So click on J cross. Again, type a clue for J cross. Now my clue is to create a crossword puzzle. Again, click on OK. So across words are completed. Now here, downwards, first word is J match. Click on it. Type a clue for J match. My clue is match the following. Click on OK. Next word is masher. Now masher is for all exercises in single unit. Again, click on OK. After completing the clue, last option, again there is a OK. Done up to this part. Shall I continue? Done your crossword puzzle? Okay. Now, next option. Again, you have to save this file. So, click on File menu. Save this file. This is J cross. Again, save on same folder. Again, click on Configuration option. Same options are here. Give subtitle, instructions, timer, appearance. So I'm giving 5 minutes time. And click on OK. After configuration, your next step is export your file or create a web page. So click over here. And see, this is your crossword puzzle. Done, everyone? Same process you have to repeat. After completion your data, save your file, then configuration option, give a timer, give some instructions, give some subtitle, give some appearance. And after that, create a web page or export your file. Same process you have to repeat. Done with your crossword puzzle? Now click on number 1. See, if you click on number 1, there is option across 1 and down 1. So across 1, clue is to create MCQ. So my option is J quiz. Enter. Second clue, match the following. So it is J match. Enter. Again here you can click on number 2. Jumble the sentence. So what is the word for jumble the sentence? It is JMix. Enter. Next, click on number 3. Clue is all exercises in a single unit. So my word is masher. Again, click on number 4. Clue is gap filling exercise. So it is J close. And last number is number 5. Crossword puzzle. So it is a J cross. And after that, you can check. My score is 100%. So it is very interesting tool and students always interested to solve the puzzle. So using this J cross activity, you can practice your topic. Yes, understood? Shall I proceed? Next application. How do I check if all clues are entered? Ma'am, there is an option, check option. You got your option? Last option is check. After your crossword puzzle, there is option check. So you have to click on check option. Got it, ma'am? Shall I proceed? Okay, so again, hot potato software. My next application is JMix. This is the interface of JMix. Here you can create exercise on jumbled sentences or order the correct sequence. Suppose we have to sentence the which is not in correct order, then using JMix application, we have to put these in correct order. For this, we can click on JMix icon. Now again give a title. So I'm giving I'm giving the title, give correct sequence. Now see, left hand side, there is the option main sentence. So in main sentence, I am writing total 5 sentences one by one on a separate line. My first sentence is start hot potato. Because again my topic is hot potato software. My second sentence is enter your data. See, it is a stepwise process for each application. Now, third process is save your data. Next process is set the correct configuration. And last process is create web page. Okay, done with your data. On right hand side, there is an option alternate sentences. Now, if you want to change your sequence, you can type your sequence, change sequence on right hand side. It is optional, not compulsory. But if you want to interchange your sequence, so set the correct configuration and then save your data. So you can do it on right hand side. Okay, done with your data. Again, same process. Save this file on same folder. Give file name. Click on save option. Again, go to configuration. Set your configuration. I just want to set a time limit. Whichever configuration you want to change, you can change it. Then click on OK. And again, last step is export your file or create a web page. View the exercise in my browser. So this is your mixed up sentence exercise. And you have to give a correct sequence. So your first process is start hot potato. Next step is enter your data. Next step, if I don't know, you can give a hint also. See, the next correct part is save your data. Next is set the correct configuration. And next is create web page. And after that, you can check your exercise. It is a 80% because of I have already done hint for third part. Okay, understood JMix activity? Shall I proceed? Next application. Yes, all of you done with JMix activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my last application is JMatch. So this is the interface of JMatch. In JMatch activity, it is very simple activity, that is match the following. So give a title, match the following. Okay, now left hand side, you can type your options. Now my topic is a matrix, as I am a mathematics faculty. So my topic is matrix. So I am typing, my first option is row matrix. Second option, column matrix. Third option, null matrix. Fourth option, square matrix. And last option, identity matrix. If you want to increase your option, now left hand side, left hand corner, see there is an arrow. You can increase your option also, number 6. Or you can decrease your options. Am I audible? My voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So left hand side, I am adding my questions, and right hand side, I am adding my answer. Now see, there is one more option, insert a picture. So if you want, you can insert Word file also. If you want, you can insert picture also. So here is an option, insert a picture from your hard copy. So before that, I am saving this file and then insert the picture. Okay. So first save this file. It is JMatch. Again, save on same folder. Then right hand side, I want to add some images. So here is an option, insert a picture. So click on it. So in my laptop, in downloads, there is an image that is a row matrix. See, this is a row matrix image. Set height and width of that image. And click on OK. Now second option, column matrix. Again, I want to insert a picture. Click on the option, insert a picture. See, this is the image, column matrix. Again, set height and width of that image. Click on OK. Third part is null matrix. Again, I want to insert some image. Again, set height and width. See, mathematical equations, you cannot type here. There is no option for mathematical equations. You cannot copy paste also. So that's why I'm just downloading image for that part and upload that image here. Next is a square matrix. So this is a square matrix. See, if you don't have any image, you can type a word also. And my last option is identity matrix. So again, I want to insert image. So this is my identity matrix. Click on OK. Okay, done with your answer. Okay, shall I proceed? Okay. Now see, on right hand side, there is an option fix. Okay, on right hand side, there is an option fix. If I want to fix the answer, then click over here. Suppose I want to fix third part, null matrix. So click over here for third part. And remaining will jumble. If you don't want to fix, then don't click. Again, same process. Go to configuration. Change the configuration, whatever you want. I'm just giving a timer. Click on OK. And same process repeat. Export your file. Just a minute. Something went wrong. Just a minute. Something is going to wrong with my image. Just a minute. No. Okay, just understood this part. Match the following. Am I not audible? Anita ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, am I audible?
Now it's audible, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Now see, after completion all these application, the last part is a masher. Okay. So again, go to the icon. hot potato. Last option is J masher. Now see, there is an option add file. See, you don't want to create any file in JMasher. You just add the files already you have created for JQuiz, JClose, JCross, JMatch, and JMix. So you just add all those files. So click on add files option. Now this is your folder, hot potato. And these are hot potato files. First one is JClose, JCross, JMatch, JMix, and JQuiz. So total all 5 files you have to add here. So select these file one by one. All 5 files you have to add. Then click on OK to all. Then click on add files. See, you have to add hot potato files here. So add files. Give name, that is masher. Then click on build unit. Then it will ask you, would you like to view the unit now? Click on OK. And see, this is your exercise. Hot potato application, match the following, give the correct sequence. So this masher is, you can select all your questions in a single unit. So you can give all exercises in single unit. So all type of exercises, multiple choice, short answer, match the following, gap filling exercise, crossword puzzle, all type of exercises in a single unit using masher. If you click on here, see, this is hot potato application. This is my title. So this is a crossword puzzle. So that is the use for masher. Yes, understood? Now this is all about hot potato software. Yes, any question? It is a self-assessment tool. So you can create any quiz or any exercise. to practice your topic. Yes, any question regarding hot potato software? Okay, thank you all.
Dear participants, if you have any doubt, you can put your message into chat box. Yes, participants, if you're having any doubt, just ask the question to the Ojaswini madam, or you can put the message into chat box. We'll wait for the minute. Okay, I think there is not any question from the audience. Yes, sir, you'll definitely get the material, PPT and the recorded video. Okay, if you don't have any questions on hot potato, so we'll conclude first session. So today's two sessions. Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful session. It definitely helps and guides to our participants. Thank you, ma'am. Participants, don't leave. We have a next session. For the next session, we'll welcome to Mrs. Sarika Sawant, madam, Assistant Professor in Sihagarh Academy of Engineering. She's going to present the session on the flippity. So just welcome her, Sarika Sawant, madam.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Oh, thanks.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So good afternoon to one and all. I'm very much sure that all of you must have enjoyed learning new technological tools in previous sessions. In line with that, today also we are going to see one more interesting tool named flippity. As we all know that students' engagement and active participation in class is very much essential, and that can be done more effectively by using this tool flippity. Basically, flippity is a online versatile platform to create interactive and engaging content. It is basically a game based learning tool. So when we teach our students through game show format, they can understand the concept easily. They remember the concept, they participate actively. Besides, we can keep them engaged, focused, interested. So this is the main theme of this flippity, a game show format. Now let us say what exactly flippity lets you do. So flippity transforms or turns a simple Google spreadsheet into a set of amazing games, activities that you can share with your students or you can do with your students. It has user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech savvy to navigate it. With just few clicks, you can transform your raw data into a visually stunning and interactive resources. So no complicated stuff, just fun and learning. Wait a minute. This flippity has 27 different types of activities you can create. So I will quickly tell you what all things we can do with this flippity. Give me a minute, I am facing some technical issue. So here ready to go templates are available. As I said earlier, we can create almost 27 different types of activities. I will quickly tell you what all things we can do over here. We can create flashcards, we can create flex cards, we can play quiz show, then random name picker is there. Then there is randomizer, virtual breakout, flippity manipulatives. A matching game can be done, connecto game, then flippity bingo. We can create timeline activity also. Then there is word search, crossword puzzle, word scramble. All these things we always do for our subject. In every subject, whether it is social science, language, or whatever sciences we are teaching, we use these word games. So number of activities can be done by using this flippity.net. In this session, we are going to cover quiz game show, then timeline activity, crossword puzzle, flashcards, certificate quiz, random name picker, and the last one is the leaderboard. Now, directly I am going to take you to the platform where I will be able to demonstrate how to use Flippity. So I request all the participants to go to your browser. Open your browser. Then you have to type flippity.net, FLIPPITY.net. So again, I request all the participants to go to flippity.net. Then see, you will land on this page where you will be able to see different kinds of activity, and then you will be able to create something interesting for your students that you can share across any of the apps through WhatsApp, Telegrams. You can share it through email, howsoever you would like to share the links to students, you can. Now, directly I'm starting with first activity. So see here, third template is Flippity Quiz Show. All are with me? All of you are with me? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. See, there is third template, Flippity Quiz Show. So we are going to learn how to use flippity.net to create some amazing quiz game shows in our class. So to begin with, we click on these instructions. So you please click on this instructions tab. Two links are available here, demo, and the second one is the instructions. So you click on Instructions tab. See, it will force us to make a copy. Then you have to click on this yellow highlighted this template. So you click on this template. Here you will need to sign in with your Google account. See here, this page will open up. Now I am going to click on make a copy. So click on make a copy. So when you click on make a copy, demo quiz opens up in this window. Now we want to make quiz on our subject. So here I decided to change some of the categories. So for category 1, I decided to select history. So instead of this word capitals, I am writing history. Okay. Then, see, basically we are editing this demo quiz, this sheet. Then for category 2, I am writing geography. Then for third category, I am writing suppose political science. Okay. So these are my 3 categories.
Ma'am, excuse ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, for that flippity, should we have an account, ma'am? Flippity
Yes,
account?
yes. It requires Google account.
Acha. Should we create it now or?
No, sir. You must have
While
already
you're
your
explaining,
account,
ma'am?
no? No, sir.
Huh?
You can log in from any of your Google account.
No, ma'am. Flippity account I'm
No.
mentioning.
It doesn't require separate account for using Flippity. Directly, you can type in your browser flippity.net.
Okay.
The minimum requirement is you must have your Google account. Okay,
I
sir?
registered, ma'am, but I'm having some image kit like something it is showing, ma'am.
No, sir.
Imagekit.io.
See, once again, I will tell you. See the screen. In your browser, go to your browser.
Okay.
There you type flippity.net. FLIPPITY. Okay, sir?
Flippity.net. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, then press enter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so such type of page will appear. Have you got, sir?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, you continue, ma'am. I'll try it and I'll come back.
Okay, sir. No problem. So see here, we have edited names of 3 categories: history, geography, and political science. Then suppose I feel I don't need category 4 5 and category 6. I don't want them showing up on my quiz board. So all I need to do is you highlight this cell. See, I have highlighted this cell and just write uppercase X in each of these cells. So I am writing uppercase X for category 4. Similarly, for category 5, I am writing uppercase X. Then for category 6 also, I am writing uppercase X. Okay. Now what happens when I do this is that when I finally open the quiz, these 3 columns will not show up on my quiz board. Category 4, category 5 and category 6. I want only first 3 categories. Okay. Then you can go on, edit the questions and give the correct answers. See here, I am giving my first question, my first history question. So let us type question. What does the term Mesolithic age mean? What does the term Mesolithic age mean? So this is my first history question. Then I have to provide the answer, and the answer is Middle Stone Age. You can write any question. Middle Stone Age. This is my answer. Similarly, for second category, geography category, my first question is, what are glaciers? What are glaciers? And the answer is rivers of ice. Rivers of ice. Similarly, let us write category 3 political science question. And my question is, who is the head of state of India? State of India. This is my political science question. Who is the head of state of India? President or prime minister? And we all know the answer. Answer is president. So let us enter the answer. See, I have entered 3 questions with their answers. You can do like this for 4 to 5 questions in each of these categories. You can add more if you want. But for today's purpose, see, you can add almost 1000 questions. But for today's purpose, I have taken only 5 for each category. Now what you have to do, once you are done with this, you need to go to file. So click on file. Then you have to click on share. In share, there is option publish to web. So just click on publish to web. Now this window will appear. Here again, you click on publish. Then it will ask you, are you sure you want to publish this selection? Then click on OK button. Okay. Are you getting up to this? Okay. So then you close this window, this publish to the web window. You can close this. Then next, below there is a tab, get the link here. So you click on get the link here. See, below there is tab, get the link here. So you click on get the link here. Then you will see a blue color link. So you can copy it. You have to copy this link. So I'm copying this link. Click on copy link. After that, you can share this link with any of the media such as WhatsApp, mail. Then your students will be able to access it. Now what I'm going to do, let me paste this link in another window. Suppose I paste it over here. See, how does it look? It will look. Now, one important thing, if you observe here, those extra three columns have been deleted out. So all I have are the three categories which I have decided: history, geography, and political science. Now, when you come to left hand side of the screen, you got 4 teams. Now, what you can do is, we can add and delete number of teams depending upon the number of students in class. See, below there is plus and minus tab. So you can add and delete the number of teams. So for today's purpose, we are going to stick to 3 teams. So I am deleting team 4. So now I am having team 1, team 2, team 3. Okay. Now this team 1, 2, 3 look a little boring. So let us choose names for our teams. So all you need to do is, you highlight the team names and you can start editing. So let us call first team. I give name it as, suppose, Smarties. My first team is Smarties. Then second team is Einstein. Suppose this is my second team, Einstein. And let me give me name for third team. My name is Know It Alls. So these are my 3 teams. Team 1, Smarties, then Einstein, then Know It All. Know It Alls. Okay. Now, what you can ask your teams to do is to select whichever counter they think they would like to answer. Now, each of these numbers on these counters stand for the number of points that the students may win, provided they give the correct answer. So let us play a few rounds and see how it works. So let Smarties have to choose the first question, and they decide to go to 400 marks history question. So Smarties decided to answer 400 marks history question. So I will click over here to view the question. See, now the question is, Abu Dhabi is the capital of which country? Okay. Now what happens? The Smarties consult each other and come up with the answer. Suppose Afghanistan. Okay. Please mute yourself. I request all the participants to please mute yourself. Election dina vote Okay, so the question is, Abu Dhabi is the capital of which country? And suppose the Smarties, after consulting, come up with the answer as Afghanistan. Now let us check whether their answer is correct or not. So for that, again, I click the tile to view the answer. And the answer is United Arab Emirates, UAE. And see, Smarties have got wrong. So you may click on the cross mark. Okay. So they know that they got wrong and they will lost some marks. So again, to return to the board, click on this tile and see. They have already lost 400 points. Let us move on to the Einstein. Suppose they choose a 100 marks question from history. Again, from history, 100 mark question. So let me click here to view the question. Now the question is, what does the term Mesolithic age mean? Now again, Einstein team, they consult and come up with the answer, Middle Stone Age. Now let us check whether this answer is correct or not. So for this, again, I have to click the tile. Yes, the answer is correct. So what you do, you click on check mark. You click on this check mark. Okay. Now let us see how they scored. So return to the board. See, they have scored 100 marks. And here you can see, since they have given the right answer, the tile is highlighted. Tile for 100 marks is highlighted. Now, sometimes I feel that giving negative marks is really not good. So you can decide not to give negative marks at all. So if know it all, choose 300 points political science question. Suppose third team choose a political science question of 300 marks. So let us click on it. And suppose they gave the incorrect answer. But now I have decided in the beginning that I will not give the negative marks. So all I have to do is not click either on the cross or tick mark at all. Leave it as it is and you move on. See. So know it all scored 0 marks. Okay, no negative marking. They have not lost any mark. So we can similarly keep clicking each of these tiles as the students choose each of these tiles. As the students choose them and play the game until all the tiles are exhausted. And you will come up with a leaderboard and you can decide the winning team, who is the winner. See here, you can you can set timer also. Here 3 dots are there on right hand side. See. So you can set timer for your quiz. You can shuffle the questions. You can reload your quiz. So these options are available. Below that, there is one more button. You can share this quiz with your through WhatsApp or email. So very simple activity, quiz game show. So get creative, go get creative, put on your thinking caps and create this quiz for your class. Now, let us move towards the next activity. My next activity is timeline activity. See, in timeline activity, what you can do? You can create the visual representation of events in chronological order. If you want to showcase sequence of events, be it a project timeline or a company journey or even personal milestones, you can use flippity timeline activity. So for that, again, go back to home page. This is your home page for flippity.net. Here, below there is flippity timeline. You can see the template, flippity timeline. For example, see, if you want to ask your students to create the timeline for life cycle of butterfly, or if you want to describe history of someone and critical events in that person's life, you can use timeline activity. But here you might ask me, why there is digital timeline? We can create the timeline by handwritten format also, hard copy format also. But see, this digital timeline remains with us forever. It is in soft copy format. So we can modify it, we can reuse it, we can edit it easily whenever we want. Correct? So first, I will show you one example of timeline created by me. Then you will certainly be excited and keen to know how to create it. So let me show you timeline created by me. See, I have created a timeline for ISRO's milestones from 2001. So see here. In 2001, on 22nd November 2001, ISRO launched Technology Experiment Satellite. I have added one image over here, image of satellite TES. Then in 2012, ISRO launches India's first radar imaging satellite, that is RISAT-1, on 26th of April 2012. Then there is
Ma'am, doubt, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, this timeline we have to create, or it is already there in the net?
No, sir. I have to create it. I have already created to show it to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Then after
ma'am, in our screen, Mr. Rogers timeline something is shown.
Yes, you.
That is an example.
No, sir. This. Yes, that was demo, sir. I will show you how to create it. I have already created this to show it to you.
Okay.
How it will look.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
See, you can expand this timeline. You can compress it also. You can add video also if you want. See here, I have added one YouTube video. In 2019, PSLV C48 successfully launches RISAT-2BR1, and with 9 commercial satellites. I have added one video also. Of launching satellite. Okay, so let me close it right now. I just want to show you how.
Continuous.
Then there is last on 22nd November 2022, ISRO successfully launched EOS-06 satellite along with 8 nano satellites. So this is how beautifully you can create timeline in digital format. You can expand it, you can close it, you can open it, you can compress it. But see, this is a general example. However, from teacher's point of view, how we can use it in daily teaching learning process effectively. So I will give you a simple example. We can design a lesson plan by using this timeline activity. So let us see how we can create a lesson plan by using flippity. So again, you go to home page. Or you can again type flippity.net. Flippity.net. Yes. Then below that there is a template timeline activity. See here, flippity timeline. And click on instructions. Click on instructions tab. Repeat the same procedure as we did in at the time of quiz game show. Again, I have to click on this template, highlighted yellow, this template. Then click on make a copy. See, again a demo window is open. Here, if you observe, many steps are already built in. You will be able to change just by editing text. So let us add as per our choice. First, you can rename this timeline. I am from mathematics subject, so I am going to create timeline for a topic from subject maths. So I am renaming it, and my topic is suppose matrices. You can rename as per your choice. Now let us edit this sheet. Suppose my academic start on 1st June. So I will write here day 1st and month is June. So 6 and suppose and year is 2024. Then I will give headline as introduction to matrices. Suppose my first point I am going to teach is introduction to matrices. Now I have to describe. That means I have to write here what I am going to teach under this point. So I will write definition, then basic notations, then types of matrices or types. Okay. So this is under description tab. Then next, on 3rd June 2024, 3rd June, my next topic is special types of matrices. I am going to teach special types of matrices. Okay. Now in this special type, I am going to teach a zero matrix or symmetric and skew matrices. See, you can add data according to your subject. Not necessary. You should add this only. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay. Now here, I want to add image for zero matrices. Suppose I'm going to add image for zero matrix. So what I do, again in browser, let us find an image for zero matrix. See, select any one of the images. Okay. Now, right click on this and you copy image address. So I've clicked on copy image address and paste it in your sheet, Google Sheet. See, here I'm going to paste it. In front of definition, basic notations and types of matrices, already one link has been added, so you delete it. So I have added image, a link for image. I have added image for zero matrix. Then on 4th June, I am going to teach next point. And next point is operations with matrices. Suppose my point is this, operations on matrices. And in that, I am going to teach matrix addition and scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication and addition. Okay. Now, suppose here I want to add YouTube video regarding related to scalar multiplication and addition. So let us again go to participants. Please mute yourself. So let us go to Google and find YouTube video for matrix multiplication. Suppose. So I am taking this first video. So you just copy this YouTube link. Copy this YouTube link and paste it in front of scalar multiplication and addition. Paste your link. Okay. All other things, first let us delete all other things. Let us delete all other things. Okay. Now, so these three things we have added, and lastly I am adding, suppose I on 9th June, please mute yourself. I request again. On last, suppose we are taking assessment. See, you can add many points. Right now, I am not spending time over that. So you can add as much as per your syllabus or as per your unit or as per your topic. So my last point is review, assessment and review. So here I will write review the concept and assessment. Okay. Now what I have to do, as we did before, again you have to go to File, then click on Share, Publish to Web, then click on Publish. Then, are you sure you want to publish this selection? Click on OK. You close this window. Now, below that there is Get the Link Here option. So you click on Get the Link Here. This blue color link will appear. You copy that link and paste it in another window to see how it will look. So I am pasting it over here. See, your timeline for unit matrices has been created. I can expand this. Now, first, introduction to matrices. In this topic, I am going to teach definition, basic notations, types of matrices. Then there is special type of matrices. So I have added one image for zero matrix. I have added next is operations on matrices. See, here we have added YouTube link. So when you click on this link, you will direct it to YouTube video related to scalar multiplication and addition. And my last point is assessment and review. So how beautifully you can create a timeline activity by adding images, videos, and so on. So this is great for teachers, students, or anyone who wants to share sequence of events in fun and accessible way. Now, how you can assign some work by using this timeline activity to students? See, once we complete our unit or our chapter, we can ask our students to list out or to design a timeline of all concepts in sequential order that they have learned in class so that they can revise the whole chapter easily. This is the beauty of this timeline activity. Okay. Now, let us move towards the next activity. Now we are going to create a puzzle.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Ma'am, I created this timeline as you said, ma'am. But in mine, that what is it? Fred Rogers family, that also is appearing, but I deleted everything.
Okay,
why is it appearing?
Yes, sir. It will take at least 5 minutes. If you make any changes, so to reflect, it will take 5 minutes.
Achha.
So,
I have that introduction to matrices.
Yeah,
and below that,
sir.
again, it is showing Fred Rogers family, then
Yes, sir.
definition, basic and all.
So to reflect the changes, it will need 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Now let us move towards the crossword puzzle. Again, here we are going to create a crossword puzzle by in digital format by using flippity.net. So go to flippity.net or homepage. So what is the use of this crossword puzzle? See, it encourages students to think critically and solve problems creatively. By this crossword puzzle, we can engage students actively. We can keep them interested and focused. There is flippity crossword puzzle. This is the template. Again, you have to click on instructions. So click on instructions. Again, you have to click on this template tab button, this template. Then click on make a copy. 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 Then click See, very simple spreadsheet. You have to enter the words and related clues. So let me edit this sheet. I am deleting all these things. First, you delete all these things. Network is very slow. Yes, see, everything is has been deleted. Now I will enter my words and related clues for my subject, for which I am going to create crossword puzzle. So let me enter. Here I am going to create a puzzle for biology related topic. So let me enter my first word, chlorophyll. This is my first word. Now I will write clue for it. And my clue is this is necessary for photosynthesis. This is necessary for photosynthesis. Then my next word is organelle. And clue for it is term for component present in the cytoplasm. Term for component present in the cytoplasm. Then my third word is a cell membrane. And clue for it is a thin layer outside of cells. A thin layer outside of cells. Then fifth word is mold. And clue for it is a kind of fungus. Then sixth word is organ. And clue for it is formed by collection of tissues. Formed by collection of tissues. And the last word is tissue. A group of cells. See, I have added 7 words and clues for it. Very simple. See, you can add options as many as you want. See, you can add almost 1,000 options. Then again, I have to repeat the same procedure. Again, I have to go to file, then click on share, then click on publish to web, click on publish, then click on OK. You close this window. Now I have to copy the link. I have published my document or I have published my data. I have to copy the link. For that, click on get the link here. Again, you click on this blue color link. Now I want to see right now how it looks. So again, I will paste it in new window.
This you have to take printout,
I
ma'am.
have pasted it in new window. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this one you can take only printout, ma'am. You cannot play online. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, yes, madam.
Okay.
Voice is lagging, ma'am.
I'm not able to listen.
This
Hello.
one we cannot play online, ma'am. Only print out.
Yes, sir. We cannot play this online. We have to take the printout. But see here,
Okay.
I don't need to think about how many rows or how many columns, how many squares I have to add.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, automatically it has been divided according to the number of letters in word. So no need to worry about that. Correct? So when our questions are already ready with us, we have to just copy it and paste it. It will not take more than 2-3 minutes. Am I right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
See here. And you can share this with others with a simple link. No complicated stuff. You can take printout, you can reload it, or if you want to show the answer key, that also you can do. See here. This is the answer key. Or if you want to hide it, you can hide. So what is the beauty or different about this crossword puzzle? It gives a fresh and modern twist to the joy of crossword puzzles. It bridges the gap between traditional paper puzzles and the digital age, so that it will make experience more engaging and interactive. Students will also like it. So this is about the crossword puzzle. Then one more interesting activity, that is online flashcards. So again, you have to go to home page. Let us close all other things. So flippity.net. So main theme is here, you no need to download any software, you no need to install any software. Just you type flippity.net, create a link, share it with students. They will solve it and again they will share it with you. So now we are going to see flashcards, how we can create online flashcards. See, first
Ma'am, if
template.
the student, excuse ma'am,
Yes, sir.
if the student shares it with us, no, ma'am, how it will be visible for us, like in mail or
Sir.
where can we see?
Now, what about the see, this crossword puzzle is in hard copy format, no, printable
Yeah, that
format.
one. Okay.
So there is no, they cannot share the link, no, with us.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we have to collect them from them in hard copy format only.
If you want to do assessment, like so we have to get it hard copy.
Yes,
only.
we have to get it hard copy only for assessment.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now the first template is flippity flashcards. So let us straight, I will show you how we can make it. So let us straight get into action. And now I will start by showing you how the flashcard look. So two links are there, demo and instructions. Now I am clicking on demo. I have clicked on demo. You can see the questions over here. You can see there are 27 flashcards. See, 1 out of 27. So there are 27 flashcards. This is to flip the card. This second tab is to flip the card. Then next, this is for the next card. Then there is, see, last one is for both flipping and next card. So if you click once, it will flip, And if you click one more time, it will go to the next question. See. Now, this is to remove the card. Then this is to shuffle the card. This is for reload the cards. Then next is, see. These are questions and answers. Here straight away you can use this button, so that see, one more button is there, audio. So you can use this button so that computer will automatically read a question for you. Okay. Then next is their practice tab. Here you can give your answer. Suppose if you write a wrong answer, the capital of Malaysia, if I write Delhi, and as we all know this is wrong answer, then it will show you the correct answer also, Kuala Lumpur. Then you have list, see, side 1, side 2. So in list format, you can have question and answers. You can print this list also. Then there is matching. See, matching. Let us try one. Currency of India. If I click on currency of India, and what is the answer? Rupee. So I have to click on rupee. See, you have to match. If you click correct one, it will disappear. Let us try one more. Speed of light in a vacuum. I click this tile, and the correct answer is this. 1,86,282 miles per second. So I have to click this. I have given the correct answer, so both the tiles disappear. Then there is a timer also. It will show how long you are taking to do this. So these are different activities that students can do. Now, I will show you how you can make it. I have already created one template over here. So that I will show you. See, as we did earlier, you have to go to, you have to click on instructions tab, then click on make a copy, then you will see this sheet. Here you will edit your question and answers. I have already done it for you. So these are my questions, and side 2 are my answers. I have given card color, blue, yellow, green, purple, text color also given. Now I have to share it with my students. So again, I will go to file menu. I have to click on share. I have to click on publish to web. Then I have to close this window. Then get the link here. Click on this blue color link. You copy this link and paste it in another window. Yes, ma'am. In chat box, there is one question. Can we use this for MCQ? Yes, we can create almost 27 different types of activities. But in many sessions, many of the 3-4 speakers already told about how to create a quiz. So I will take it at the last. See, this is the flashcard activity I have created. Let us try matching. Define power in terms of physics. So I will click on this, and the answer is power is the rate at which work is done or energy is transformed. See, both the tiles disappeared. Then what is the formula for calculating velocity? formula is this, displacement divided by time. Then next, what is formula for calculating kinetic energy? Answer is given. Next is explain the Newton's first law of motion. So this is the answer. Newton's first law states that object will remain at rest. Then there is define momentum. I will click answer tile. Then what is the SI unit of force? It is Newton. What is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth? And the answer is 9.8. Then what is relationship between force, mass and acceleration? Answer is F equals to mc. We have covered, and remaining time is, we have done this in time 1 minute 6 seconds, done. You can reload it also. So it's easy, very easy, simple way of creating flashcards. You can use it for math, science, anything, any subject you can take it. So instead of traditional, we have just online version. So through such small activities, we can teach the concept to the students in an interesting way. And student will definitely remember it. We can keep them focused, interested throughout the session through these small activities. Now let us move towards the certificate quiz. Last activity. So again, you have to go to home page. So go to home page. And there is certificate quiz activity. See, flippity certificate quiz. Again, click on instructions tab. Now here we are going to see how we can make certificate quiz. See, we are going to learn how to craft quizzes that are not only test knowledge, but also reward participants with a tangible certificate of accomplishment. By this, what happens, when they get a certificate, they feel proud of their achievements. And this will add a bit of excitement to the class. And they will compare with other students, how they are doing. So click on instruction tab. Again, click on this template. Then click on make a copy. Yes, see, this is the spreadsheet which we are going to edit. Now below there are 3 tabs, quiz questions. Second tab is options. So let us click on this options tab. See, here you can assign quiz name. You can shuffle, if you want to shuffle questions, then write yes. So you can do settings for your quiz over here. So my quiz name is, suppose I'm going to take questions related to water. So my quiz name is water. I want to shuffle my question, writing yes. Shuffle choices, yes. Email results right now, no. So this is my setting for quiz. Now click on quiz questions. First tab, quiz questions. First you delete all the questions given over here. Now let us add our questions. Now my first question is, what is the chemical symbol for water? What is the chemical symbol for water? This is my first question. And my options are H2O. Then there is suppose CO2. And suppose O2. These are my options. Okay. Now, one more important thing, we have to include the asterisk to indicate the correct option. Now here as we all know, the correct option is H2O. So here I have to indicate asterisk, capital A and then asterisk. Okay. Here only A. So this is my first question. You can provide any other option if you want. Suppose I give H2SO4. Then my second question is this. Name the part of body on which coronavirus affects the body most. So name the part.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Of body on which. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, compulsory 4 options should be there.
No, sir. No.
We can delete.
You can delete this. Yes, sir.
Okay.
See, I have deleted. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So name the part of body on which coronavirus affected most. Now, suppose here I want to add one image. Okay, then how to do that? Then you have to type double square bracket. In that you type image, then colon, followed by the URL or address of a picture you find on the web. So let us find one image for coronavirus. So you just copy image address. So I'm copying this first image address and I have to paste it in my edited sheet. See, here I am pasting it. Okay. Followed by double square brackets. See, once you pasted your link, you have to, it must follow with double square bracket. Okay. Done. Then I have to provide the answers. So let us take answers as liver. Then next is heart. Then next is suppose lungs. Now, as we all know, the correct answer is lungs. So here asterisk sign must be there in front of capital A, and last is the kidney. Okay. Then similarly, you can add one more question, and you can add YouTube video also if you want. Right now, I'm not adding more questions. These many are sufficient for demo. Delete all other things which we may not require. Yes. So these are, I'm just adding 2 questions over here. Again, you have to go to file menu, then share, publish to web, publish, okay, close the window, and then click on get the link here, copy this blue color link, paste it in another window. See how it will look. See, earn a certificate in, my quiz name was water. Here you have to enter your name first. So I'm writing my name, then click on continue. My first question is this: what is the chemical symbol for water? And the answer is H2O. Click on next tab. Then I think we have not added any. Let us go to back. Let us edit the quiz once again. So first question is this: what is the chemical symbol for water? The second question is name the part of body. Something is wrong, I think, with image. So let us delete it. Let us delete this question. I'm typing again. Name the body part which affect most by coronavirus. Okay, let us keep it simple. So again, let us publish it. Go to file, share, publish to web. Already published. So get the link, copy this link and paste it in another window. Click on enter. So enter your name. Click on continue. See, name the part of body on which coronavirus affected most. So as I said earlier, sometimes it will take 4 to 5 minutes to reflect the changes that happened with me right now. And the answer is lungs. Then next, what is the chemical symbol for water? H2O. Next, I'm not showing the questions. Some technical issue is there. That's why it is not showing next question. But what I want to say, after you complete this,
here also same.
I'm not getting what happened. So it will take 4 to 5 minutes. That's why it is not reflecting. But it's okay. When you complete this quiz, so you will see, you will get a certificate with your name and score. That is what I want to tell you. But due to some issue, it is not reflecting. Sorry for that. But I hope you have understood what I want to say. So we can create such type of quizzes with certificate for students. And when the participant receive this type of certificate upon completion, the motivation is also boosted and students feel sense of achievement. So it is not just any quiz, it's a certificate quiz. So learners not only answer questions, but also get a special certificate to show they did a great job. So this in this way we can engage our students. So let me sum it up. So to sum it up, our session about flippity. So it has shown an awesome way to make learning more fun and interesting. What we found is that this flippity is like a superhero for teachers and learners. It makes learning more exciting, whether you are in a classroom or doing online courses. And the best thing is what? This is easy to use, no complicated stuff, no need to install anything, no need to download anything, without any cost, just fun and learning. So let us go ahead and try using flippity. As I said earlier, there are almost 27 different types of activities, but we cannot complete all those in this 1 hour session. So I will stop here over here, and thank you for joining my session and patiently listening. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any queries? If anyone wants
Thank you,
to
ma'am.
ask
Thank you so much.
anything. Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Ma'am, for this flippity, do we have tutorials like or any YouTube videos?
Yes, sir. So many YouTube videos are available. And
Acha.
sir, one important thing, these are very small activities. We
Yes,
can
ma'am.
perform all these activities in classroom very easily. We don't need any software or any teaching aid, nothing. Students have
Yes,
their
ma'am.
own mobile. With mobile, we can do all these activities.
Okay, ma'am.
Dear participants, I hope you all are learning something in every session. Tomorrow, we have 2 sessions, and after that, we have a valedictory function. So I would just request if around 3 to 4 participants would like to share their learning experiences in this 5 days faculty development program. So you can just let me know who is interested and would like to give the feedback about their learning experience in this 5-day faculty development program. Yes, anybody now here?
Ma'am, Joshua Daniel.
Okay, one participant.
Ma'am, Panikrishna, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Panikrishna, ma'am. PHANI Krishna.
Second participant is?
PHANI Funny Krishna, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next participant, I need 4 participants. Two more. I want now 2 ladies. Yes. I think Anjali Chande ma'am is attending. I mean, she's quite regular. That's what I've observed. Anjali ma'am. Anjali ma'am. I think you're still in the meeting. Yes, any other participant? 2 ladies. I would prefer any other participants also allowed. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Myself Anjali Chandane. Ma'am.
Okay. Will you be able to give the feedback tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am. I will. I was lagging because today's first session I am unable to attend that hot potatoes. That's why I'm not. That's why I'm not.
But then I think you have attended almost all the sessions, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other participants? I need one more, please. I think Anjali Gaikwad ma'am is also attending every day. Anjali Gaikwad ma'am. There are, of course, many more who have been regularly attending. What about Deepali Sonavne ma'am? Dr. Soumya. Yes, please, one more participant for tomorrow's valedictory function to share your feedback about your learning experience. Yes, please, anyone else? One more participant we need. Message आए हैं? Okay. Okay, Dr. Soumya ma'am will do it. Okay. Thank you so much. So, and I would request all participants to be present for tomorrow's session also. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you all participants. Just fill the feedback form and then you can leave.